what we're playing with today. It's the Minnie Mouse airplane. Let's get this new toy out of the box. Oh, look how cute Minnie is with her beautiful bow and her hair that matches her airplane. Her airplane is pink with white polka dots just like her bow. Oh, and look, there are stars on it as well. Oh, and look at her propeller. It's pink with white polka dots too. And is that Figaro I see in the back seat? Yeah. Oh, look how cute he is. And with those bows on the wheels, I think she's ready to go. All you have to do is use your Minnie Mouse remote controller and you can make her move. Let's watch. You can make her go forwards and then turn her around. Oh, it looks like Figaro is loving riding around with Minnie Mouse in her beautiful airplane. Oh, look, it looks like all of Minnie's friends showed up to wish her good luck on her travels across the world. Hi!
I can't wait to see her!
Hola, amigas! I'm so excited! I am so pumped!
Hi! Here comes Minnie now. Hi, everyone!
Oh, wow, Minnie Mouse!
Hi, Minnie Mouse! I'm so excited for you! Oh, you're gonna see everything!
Where can I get? Oh boy, you're gonna have so much fun traveling all around the world, Minnie Mouse.
Thanks, Mickey. You have to go to Zarame Falls in your travels, Minnie. Oh, you just have to go.
Yeah, it's the coolest, prettiest, coolest city ever.
I don't think my plane can go quite that far, girls. Why not?
Girls, I don't think her and her plane can fit through your genie bottle.
Oh. Well, you know what they say.
What?
A mouse in the air is a mouse without cares.
Who said that?
I don't know. I just made it up.
Now remember, if you get sick, Minnie, don't hesitate to call the toy hospital and I'll give you a diagnosis whenever you need.
Haha, thanks, Doc.
Ah! Minnie Mouse! Wait! Don't leave yet! Where are you? Oh, I hope I didn't miss her! Ah! Minnie Mouse!
Cindy, I'm right here.
Huh? Oh, phew! Thank goodness I thought you left already. Now, Minnie Mouse, if you happen to find my missing glass slipper while you're traveling, could you please bring it back? My left foot is really cold.
Sure thing, Cindy. And now it's time for me to go!
Adios!
Bye, Minnie!
Bye, Minnie Mouse! Bring me back a souvenir! Some cheese from France!
Whoa, how do you fly this thing? Whoa, I'm getting dizzy! Ow! Look at all those fireworks, they're so pretty and sparkly! I love sparkles! Whoa! Look at this ride, so spinning! Oh, these mountains are so pretty! Look at all the clouds! Is that Cindy's slipper? Oh, no, it's just a piece of glass. Oh, I love the lake. Look how pretty the water is. Woo! Look at this old building. I wonder how old it is. Maybe it's like 1,000,000 years old. I don't know. Oh, look at the horsey! Oh, horses are my favorite animal. Besides mice, of course, and kitty cats. Oh, it's hot in here. I think this used to be lava. Whoa, so smoky. Ooh, this waterfall sure looks familiar. I wonder if I've been here before. Oh wow, that was so much fun getting to fly around with Minnie and her bow-tastic airplane. Which friend of Minnie should fly with her next? Should it be Shimmer and Shine, or maybe Doc Mcstuffins, or Dora?
No, pick me!
Or maybe Mickey Mouse? Let us know in the comments below. And for more mini-tastic videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And if you love this video, then give us a big mousy thumbs up. And today's special spelling word is MINNIE. M-I-N-N-I-E, like Minnie Mouse. Make sure to type it in the comments below. Bye everyone, thanks for watching.
Hey there everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the engineering family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it, and I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye!